Shemai pal, heddiw today I'm doing something a bit different for you, giving you a tour of the studio but I'm gonna throw in a bit of words of Welsh throw here and there. Tea in the morning, te yn y bore. Mae un honna chi, Stella, you asked for this video. You're one of my Patreons, and for any of you who want to contribute, you'll see by the end of this video, your contributions are going toward building something important, or at least important to me. I hope it's important to you. Ond y tro yma, da ni'n just gweld beth sydd gyda fi. What do I have? What's my studio like? Beth yw'r setup, yeah? Shut my pethau. And this is just me, like, in a bore, as I am, dim byd arbennig, just ceisio deffro. Iawn. Awn ni weld y lle, yeah? Right, so I hope the sound works. I hope the sound works with this little camera. We're gonna see. I recently got it. See my other video for, like, how that messed up and got destroyed, but we're doing this. Right. Okay, so I like smooth surfaces. Smooth. Smooth. Glon. Clean. Empty. Free of clutter. Yes. I can breathe. Esmwyth and wag. So, so forth, the shelves. These were about 150 each, I think. A couple of you have said comments, oh, you need to put more stuff on your shelves. Well, I grew up in a crazy cat lady caravan, so I'm all about minimal. I don't want anything. I want clean, empty surfaces. Smooth. Yeah. If you want an Osmo Pocket charger, I'm selling this for £80 or so, by the way. A map of Cymru with the national anthem on it. It attaches onto the camera when you're on a tripod like this tripod, yeah? And this is one form of speakers here, Rode Go. But the other speaker, the one that I've gotten more recently, is this Rode Mic Plus, which is wonderful. It's stable. This is what I tend to use when I'm indoors. Obviously not now because I'm giving you like a tour, right? Now, I've been trying to set up sound insulation ar eich gyfer chi, for you guys. Rhoi pethau ar y wall, ond dwi heb orffen yn amlwg dwi'n ceisio neud y sianel hon yn llawn amser. Felly, I'm saving my money, I'm not giving the major upgrades up yet. But this, I don't know if you can tell the difference. Right? There is a difference when you're closer to those. So it helps dampen the sound a bit, and I've got some up there as well. This is one of my most prized possessions. It is, well, it's not really the possession, it's a symbol of it, of my British citizenship, and it's just a memory of all it took to get it. I'm very proud of it. You know, growing up poor in Texas, that I have British citizenship. It means the world to me. These what are they called? Ambitful lights. These are amazing. I mean, I can do all kinds of stuff with this. I can change the colors at will. Yeah. What do you like? What do you like best? Oh, I like that blue. What is that? Oh, that's cool. This is a storage device. So I'm gonna need more of these to store all of my footage and other videos, because my computer, I'm gonna need another one because it's really small, right? I mean, it's basic, but it does the job. As we grow, I'll get more equipment, but this is a basic setup. Got some cords down here, a lanyard, more insulation, 75 to 300 millimeter lanyard, which I didn't know how things worked when I began, so this is like really far away. Yeah. I've got some stuff in the corner here. It's like for when I'm out and about more, like a bag for a camera, and then this. I need a better camera bag, so everything you guys gives helps. More insulation, and there's another camera. So these two cameras are what I've got, right? A 700 EOS and a 2000 EOS. And this one is cool because I can see myself, right? And it records up sound, yeah? This one, it doesn't work the same way. It's just more of my photography camera. This is kind of go anywhere camera, right? So speaking of going anywhere, let's go downstairs so you can see more. Hey, if you're liking this content, high five that like button. I think I'm getting better at these color combinations. I mean, that looks. Let me know, what do you think? So, Auni. Now, I'm not going to show you too much of my house, but whether I go, of course. So this is my green screen. And this is how I make most of my thumbnails, and for some of my language lessons and just some of the effects, I use that as well. And this is an easy setup. It's not expensive at all. So you can see it's very basic. But I've done some things with this. So like I put a shelf right here so that I could put different ambival lights off to the side. And sometimes I put them down in this chair as well, or behind that. And the table, minimal and smooth, clean. I don't like clutter. If I go into a house and there's lots of things everywhere, I just want to leave immediately. I want emptiness. Not like a desert, but like a savanna. And my living room, but you've seen it a couple times. It's kind of my own space, so I don't really want to go too much into that. But that's my setup. It's basic. Dyna fo. Diolch yn fawr iawn am gyfrannu, Stella. Diolch yn fawr am gyrraedd y diwedd. Thank you very much for reaching the end. I appreciate it. Diolch yn fawr am yr awgrymiadau. We're keeping this road on. Keeping this road on? We're gonna keep at it, you know what I mean? Breathe.